Hello everyone and welcome. Have you ever looked at a tiled floor or a honeycomb or a piece of wrapping paper and noticed how the patterns fit together perfectly? That's the magic of tessellation. Today we're going to learn all about it and get ready to have some fun with the shapes. But before anything else, let me share to you the learning objectives. By the end of this video, you will be able to first identify the shapes used in a tessellation. Second, manipulate simple shapes to create your very own tessellated pattern. And finally, express enjoyment and satisfaction in your creative work. Now, let's get started. So what exactly is a tessellation? A tessellation is a pattern made of shapes that fit together perfectly like puzzle pieces without any gaps or overlaps. Look at these examples. The squares on the chessboards, the bricks in a wall, or the hexagons in a honeycomb, they all tessellate. Now let's meet some shapes that are masters of tessellation. We have the trusty square. It's a tessellation superstar. The rectangle is also a great shape that fits together perfectly. Triangles, especially equilateral ones, can also create amazing seamless patterns. And of course, the hexagon, which we see in nature's honeycombs. Can we tessellate these shapes?
First, the pentagon. It's the five-sided polygon. Can we tessellate this one? Now let's try if it can be tessellated. What do you notice? Do you see spaces? Yes, so if you see spaces, so we cannot tessellate the pentagon. How about the circle? Let's try to tessellate the circle. Do you see spaces also? Yes, so we cannot tessellate the circle. How about the decagon? Let's try. See, there's also space, so we can't tessellate decagon. How about the octagon? So can we tessellate octagon? Alright, we can tessellate octagon because there's a space in it.
Now, where can we see these tessellated patterns? And have you ever seen one? I'm sure that you already did. We can see those usually on patterns on our fabric, our t-shirts, on our paveways, and even on the ceiling of our churches. Did you understand our lesson for today, class? You did? Very good. Now, let us head on to our activity. Get one whole sheet of paper and answer this. For the part 1 of your activity, identify the unit shape that is used in each tessellation. Now at the back of the paper, you must create your own tessellation pattern by combining two different shapes of your choice. Make sure that there is no any gaps or any overlaps. I will give you 10 minutes to finish the activity. Are you done now, class? Kindly pass your papers, and I would like to commend everyone for participating for today's class. Again, tessellation are patterns that are made of shapes that fit perfectly without any gaps or overlaps. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for listening and see you next meeting.